Hello, in this video I want to show you how to print from Google Spreadsheets. To do this we have a few different options. First one, if you want to print your entire sheet, then just click on the file, navigate to the print at the bottom, click on it once and then you'll be able to print your current sheet. In case you have a few different sheets that you want to print, you can switch your selected sheets right here. In this case I have only one, so I can only select the current one. And the other way to print is that you can select specific cells that you want to print. In this case we're gonna go with that one. Then click on the file while maintaining those cells selected, navigate to the print, and then in the print option change to selected cells, and that way you'll be able to print only things that you've selected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.